Every time I get an Alan Berg book, every time I see one of his videos, and now after this, I'm going to spend the next week redoing how I run my business.
Take something new away every time, and it's just always a pleasure.
I learned a lot of things about my website that I didn't know. Lots to improve on, but that's what I'm here for, so thanks to Alan.
I'm about to revamp my website, and it's always great to have the latest and greatest information.
Thank you for this. I think you broke down what needs to be done into easy, actionable steps.
I had no idea that I was going to get so much content in such a short period of time.
I don't know what to expect, but I love when I get the aha moment.
It's been really, really valuable tonight, so thank you.
Definitely worth every dollar paid for. So I would highly recommend to anybody that would be thinking or considering, definitely do it.
You'd be mad not to do this because you're going to find out so much.